study from 50. Namaste, my name is Arya from 50.
Today we are going to show you how does dividation machine works. First we will take one problem like 12 divided by 5. Then our dividend is 12. So in dividend column we will put 12 sticks. Then our divisor is 5. So we will take 5 each sticks and put it in one cup. Now again we will take 5 sticks and put it in second cup. Now in dividend column 2 sticks are remaining. So our remainder will be 2. And in question column 2 cups are filled. So our quotient will be 2. In this way we can solve many problems. Thank you.